Are you one of those people who is going to or who is planning to start investment in 2022? Because you would have felt that in 2021 you missed certain opportunities, or you did not think ahead, or you did not plan, but then now you want to begin. So I always believe in one thing, that I come across a lot of friends and families who always say that I was not aware of this thing and अरे मैं late हो गया. But I feel that there is nothing like that. For me, you are only late until you are not aware. But the moment you know, the moment you are aware, and if you still do not take action, then only you are late. So please always keep that in mind. So what I'm going to share or discuss in this video is that if you want to begin your investment journey in 2022, so I'm going to share with you three mutual funds which you can park your money in. So let's assume that you have a 30,000 rupees per month you want to invest. Then you can consider these three mutual funds and park 10,000 each for long term duration, and then that will help you for a well diversification, as well as it will help you to build a good wealth for your future. So now let me explain to you why I have chosen these three particular funds, and what are those funds, and where they are invested in, etc. So let's get straight into the screen. So the first I have selected is the Mira Asset Large Cap Fund. So why I have selected this fund? Because so when we talk about diversification, there are cases I have seen mistake people generally do, that they invest into so many different kinds of mutual funds, and then they think that I have diversified. But that is actually the case of over diversification. Because what you really need to do is that you need to look into that where and which category of that mutual fund is, and then according to that you pick 3 4 maximum 5, not more than 5. Because if you select 4 5 funds, then you actually have entire universe under your belt. So let's just keep that in mind. So as the name suggests, it's a large cap fund, so invest into the large cap companies. Then primarily it is a nifty 100, and it has beaten benchmark by over percent. And if we see the historical returns as well, since inception this fund has given 688% return. These are the companies what you can see: Infosys, Bank, Reliance. So a well diversified fund. We will not go into these technical details of these things. So this is one fund, you can look into that. Then the second is emerging equity. So emerging equity, if we just go straight to the holdings, so you can see these are mostly mid cap companies. Because so here actually you can see the break: large cap, mid cap, and small cap. So what we saw here, let's see the breakup of this one: large cap 67, mid cap 10, and small cap. So now you can see that what I'm trying to explain, that in one fund which we have taken, the Mira Asset Large Cap Fund, where we are allocating maximum asset in the big companies, in large cap companies. But then here when we go to the emerging equity fund, we are allocating max 58.6% into mid cap. So that's why we have done a very good diversification. We have covered almost all the large caps and almost all the mid caps. Now let's go to the Parak Flexicam. This is one of my favorite. I personally have a lot of holding in this fund, because it has been consistently beating benchmark. It has been giving wonderful return. Even if you see here as well, that against Nifty 500 TRI benchmark, it has given 45.51%. And if we see their diversification, they have large cap, mid cap, small cap, as well as the others. So what is the good thing about this Parak fund? I really like that it has a 32.97% exposure in foreign equity, and then the remaining 63-64% in Indian equity. So globally, when we understand the economy, in most scenarios except the major crisis like COVID-19 or 2008 crash, to which we call black swan events, basically, that where the entire world struggles. only those kind of the cases, only those kind of the situation, the entire economy of the world will go down. Otherwise, in most cases, if one economy is doing well, then other will struggle, and then when the hands change the money change the hand from one to another, then the struggling one will start doing better, and then the one who was doing better, again they will go into kind of consolidation or even downfall. Anything can happen. But there will be very rare case where you can find that all the economies are doing well and then all the economies are not doing well. Very rare cases you will find like that. So therefore it is good idea to have at least one fund, flexi cap in your portfolio, so that you are diversifying in Indian equity as well as the foreign equity. So therefore I have selected this parak flexi fund. So by doing equal allocation into these three funds, you are well diversifying yourself, you are not over diversifying yourself, and you have good large cap portfolio, you have good mid cap portfolio, and you have good flexi cap portfolio also under your belt. Small cap, I am staying away to start with, at least till we see the financial year result, year end result, and then maybe after that how the small cap companies are performing, how their returns are, how the results are coming out, and based on that then I may pick up one small cap fund post March. But until then, until we end this financial year 21-22, I don't think I will be putting anything into the small cap as of now. So that's it from today's video. I hope that you would have liked this content, and you would have gained some good educational knowledge out there. If you did that, then please do like to this video, subscribe to my channel, and share with your friends and families who would also get benefit from this. And if there is anything in particular topic you want me to make video on, then do leave me in the comment below. Then I'll try and do best research to my knowledge, and I'll try and make a video. So that's it for now. So next time, bye bye.